That caused a delay, a glitch, a crash, call it whatever you want to. It's not applicable and it's not relevant to our discussions now. The fact is that tickets went on sale and the system allowed more people to make payments than there's capacity for. Now that immediately raises the concern, and a lot of, as the CEO alluded to, false information went out, that people were issued with tickets. That's not the case. Open tickets with their appointed, they've got a service level agreement with a CompuTicket as a distribution agent. They stopped the platform from issuing tickets, physical tickets, but the transactions still went through. Now, what did that entail? At the retail outlets, the Shoprite Checkers outlets, 4,956 tickets were sold and issued across the country. I will deal with a breakdown of it now. On the Open Ticket website, the digital tickets, 2,435. The CompuTicket website, 44,121. So that immediately tells you that there's an issue over issuing of tickets.